You know, we've been doing this for 15 years. And this started out as kind of a personal endeavor for my father, David, the inventor of Arch Cabins. You know, we're expanding this year, and not only are we expanding, we're able to start giving back to our community in the form of giving people homes, you know. Right now, we're giving away a 20 by 20 house. This is a goal that I've had set for years, and we finally hit the benchmark where we feel like we can give away some homes. You know, we started out small. We started in our home shop at my father's home that was behind is a 24 by 24 shop, who's traveled the world. He's seen how a lot of different people and cultures live, and I think he really hit the nail on the head here. We're super excited. Arch Cabins LLC is giving away a 20 by 20 arch cabin with full upgrades. That's going to be your R25 insulation, your color choice of sheet metal, and your whole kit to get you started. We're also going to be shipping it across the country wherever it's going to go at our expense, and we're going to show up at your door, me personally and Jillian. We're going to show up at your door and give you a house. My hope is whoever wins this home is someone that really needs it, to provide a little bit of peace in their mind, to give them a place as a retreat, a reprieve, whether it's a home, a studio, an office, just somewhere that feels good to be. Arch Cabins is building better lives for people. Arch Cabins is better by design. This 20 by 20 will be life-changing for somebody. It's going to change their whole course on where they're going. Next year, I want to give away 5 houses. I want to give away 10 houses. I want to be a part of that community. Okay, entries have gone live for our 20 by 20 with full upgrades giveaway. We're super excited. We're going to be running this drawing all the way through December 24th. That's Christmas Eve. Check us out on social media, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Like, follow, share. There's many ways to get entries there. We're going to be posting and having live updates on what's going on with this thing. But make sure to get your entries in before December 24th because that's when we're drawing the winner for our 20 by 20 with full upgrade giveaway.